Whether it's the first date or far into the relationship, men are always looking for ways to make their women and themselves feel special. Men love it when their women miss and think of them. Sometimes, it may even feel that their women are drifting apart due to uncontrollable situations, and so, men only want their women to miss them dearly. If you're one of those men, these tips will surely help you make her miss you too much. Be mysterious. Don't tell her everything in one go. It's alright to keep some things to yourself, especially if you want them to be more curious about you. Make sure you only tell things that'll get her more attracted to you and not the opposite. And if she's willing to go the extra mile to know more about you, then she's into you. Don't text or call that much. Don't blast her phone with calls and texts all the time. This leaves little or no space for them to miss you. If you're always letting them know of your presence, then they won't feel the need to contact you on their own. That'll just term you to be a clingy person. Spend some time alone. Don't insist on spending time with her 24/7. It's wise to be apart from her for a little while, days or even a week or two. That'll give her plenty of time to miss you like crazy. With this, you will also be able to focus on your individual growth. A time to remember. The best way to make her miss you is to give her the time of her life. Take her to amazing dates, cook her delicious meals, or even make her go crazy with your amazing sex skills. Sing to her or take her somewhere special that she didn't expect at all. Having a fun time with you will make her realize you're not someone to lose. Don't be desperate. It's understandable if you don't want to lose your woman, but if you want to make her miss you, acting desperate is the last thing you should do. Wait a minute or two to call her back, or sometimes, act as if you don't care. Keep the notch to a minimum, because if it gets too much, your woman might start to feel hurt. Don't keep track of her activities. Don't get consumed by social media and keep tracking what she is doing. Stop looking at her stories, wondering what, where and who she is with. This will only make you look extremely dependent and clingy, something women absolutely dislike. A message or two once in a while is not a bad idea,